G'day ladies and gentle tubers. The young fella's tree house is in need of some upgrades, so today we're going to install this Zipline kit. The kit comes with pretty much everything you need, except for the fact that I am installing it to rather large trees, so I have added some snatch straps and ordered the optional tree safety guards. The kit comes with very comprehensive instructions, and you'll find it very easy to install if you've got good, clear access to the trees. There's a list of everything I used in the installation in the description below. Finally, the only advice worth offering that isn't in the instruction manual is there really is no need to cut the leftover steel cable from the Zipline. I'm very happy I held off cutting mine, as after this video we adjusted the Zipline to make the descent a little less steep. The boy decided after watching Test Dummy Dad go down the Zipline a couple of times that it was far too dangerous for him. So watch to the end if you want to see a dad try and split himself in half, and subscribe and like to the channel if you'd like to see more content on this tree house and other videos.
I'm just hanging out.
Alright. Let's, is Dad going to do a test?
Yeah, you do it first.
I want to see if I can get my legs over that thing.
I didn't come like
Dad, test number one! Oh God!
You got this close.
Yeah.
Run steeper, you get yeeted off. In hell I'm doing that. In hell.
What you doing, pony?